Hey guys, just want to make a quick review of this DJ Bouncing Beats Baby. This is a fantastic toy. I love this. Super easy to use from Fisher Price. You just turn it on. There's a little power supply, a little power switch right here. Low and high is the volume. You just turn that right on. You can see how it lights up. There we go. So you're ready to rock and roll. They have 3 different levels. You have a level 1, which is the basic level. They go to level 2 and level 3. You can have dancing. He dances. He starts bouncing. Look how cute. Fantastic. This thing is a load of fun. ABC, and they have music. You can sing with it with different songs.
Say something, and I'll mix it into a song. Here we go.
And you can say something like "Buy me, buy me, buy me." So that's that one. And then they have different levels. Then level 3 is more advanced. So you have different, and there's more activities. And the more your child gets older, the more fun they can have.
You make the moves, and I'll bring the grooves. Let's go.
And it lights up like that. Very cool.
Here we go. Clap your hands.
Alright guys, that's what I have for you. This is a fantastic little toy. You're actually going to love it. Definitely going to recommend this 1000%. Hope you enjoyed this quick review. If you did, don't forget to follow, like, and share. I appreciate it as always, and thanks for watching.